Hello, good evening. My name is Oscar Plot, and today I'm taking you through object-oriented programming with Java. This is a coursework where we have question 1, where you need to apply inheritance, method overriding, method overloading, and polymorphism. The question starts that you have been hired to design a simple zoo management system using Java. The system should manage different types of animals and their behaviors. As required, says create a Java class called animal. So I created that here, a Java class called animal with these fields, the string. The string always stores the names, things related to letters, and then the integers stores the digits. As for instance here, you have been required to store the age of the object. So then we have the constructor which initializes the name and the age fields. Then it also says in this question, create preferred overloaded methods in the main class animal as public void, as you can see in the question. So the methods are here. Make sound method, which is overridden by the subclass. This make sound, we all know that all animals make sound. So this, it will give us a printout from the outcome. It shows the sound the object, that's the animal, will make. Then there is the overloaded method down here. Overloaded method, this based on the times of the parameters it will take. Now here it will make sound. Take for example, according to this sample code, it will make 3 times. That's the integer times. Then there is we also required to make the parameter string food type, what the animal eats. So here it will also print out which type food type the animal eats. It is also, this one is also overloaded method, which prints, as I told you, it prints out the type of the food the animal eats. Then we have the getters, which returns the names and the age fields. So the question goes again and says, create subclasses, that's the lion, elephant, and monkey, that inherit from animal and override make sound and eat. Method defined in what? Part B above. So we're supposed to create subclasses Subclass says this is a lion subclass which calls the superclass. The superclass, this is the superclass, the animal, the main class. Rather, the superclass, the animal. So, where you have the lion extends from the what? Extend the animal. It means the lion is an object from the superclass which inherits the abilities of the animal. The lion is an object which calls the what? The superclass. So the constructor, the constructor initializes the what? The name and the age. Of course, the animal has, the lion has the name, and under this subclass of lion, we can have different types of lions, but they are all animals under subclass of lion with different names like lion X, lion Y, lion Z, but they're all under what? The lion subclass. They all inherit the characteristics of a lion under what? The subclass or the species of the lion. Then the overridden what? Method. They make sound. The lion says the characteristic of a lion in make sound, it roars. So we shall see in the output, it will show you where to differentiate that the lion makes sound, which kind of sound, the type of food it eats, and what? Names plus the age. So even the type of the food is overridden to specify or to differentiate the lion from other animals. So we are going to dive into another subclass of elephant. The same explanation dives into the subclass, but what makes a difference is the subclass of elephant. It is the sound it makes. Which sound? We all know that elephant trumpets, and then that's the sound it makes. And then the food it eats, it's grass. That's what makes what a different from it. That's what makes an elephant different from what? From the subclass of the lion. But they're all what? They're all animals. Then we go to a subclass of what? Of monkey. A monkey makes a sound of chatter. We all know how, if you're an African like me, who has seen a monkey, we all know that the monkey chatters. That's the sound it makes. And the food it eats, to differentiate it from other animals, is the what? The banana. As what? Required from the what? From the question here. As you can see, these questions, this part D, is what I was explaining. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and give the feedback so that we can create more of this. So the question goes ahead, it says, create a zoo class with the main method to execute the functioning what? Project. Sorry about that. So this is the what? The zoo class. The main one? Class. Which shows the instances of a lion. For example, the subclasses lion, elephant, and monkey, which are created in the specification of a name, names, and what? And ages. So in this, I created this like animal lion. It has a name Oscar, and its age, it is 3 years old. That's what I gave it. And then the what? Animal elephant, which is a plot with the age of 17. And then the animal what? Monkey, parrot, with the age of 38. So for each animal, they make sound parameter and each parameter. Method is called to demonstrate the overridden what? This to demonstrate the overridden method. The overridden what? Method. Because all animals make sound. It is a general specification of all animals. They all make sound. Then go ahead and check what makes it to be specific under which subclass. Take for example, for a lion roars and eats meat. That makes it different from other animals, but all under superclass of animals. Then the elephant rampages by making sound and eats what? Grass. And then the monkey chatters and does what? Eats banana. So I want us to run this program, rather this code, and we see what outcome will it give us. So I want us to run this program and see which outcome it gives us. Just want you to be patient. It takes a little bit, some few seconds. Let me enlarge and we see. As you can see, it is on this. Aha. Now you can see. You can see that this is the outcome. Lion inherits characteristics from the animal. A lion being an object, it has a name, shows this is the name, Oscar, lion Oscar, age, it roars, eats meat, it makes sound. Now, this is what I was telling you about. The what? The contractor, the parameters, which times it makes sound, these 3 times. So you can also see this elephant, the name, Porot, age 17, trumpets, that the sound, eats grass. A monkey, name Paro, age 38, chatter, that's the sound it makes eating banana. So thank you so much for listening. I remain Opold Oscar. Please subscribe.